The aviation industry is facing a crisis. At the heart of the problem are Pratt Whitney's revolutionary geared turbofan engines, designed for efficiency and performance. These engines, however, have been plagued by problems, forcing airlines to ground aircraft and disrupt travel plans for millions. The situation has escalated into a logistical nightmare with no immediate end in sight. Airlines are feeling the pressure, and passengers are bearing the brunt of delays, cancellations, and the uncertainty surrounding air travel. The crisis has exposed the vulnerability of the aviation industry's reliance on a few key engine suppliers. With Pratt Whitney's geared turbofan experiencing significant issues, airlines are left scrambling for solutions. The situation highlights the delicate balance between technological innovation and the need for reliability in a sector where safety and efficiency are paramount. The impact of these engine troubles extends far beyond the immediate inconvenience to passengers. Airlines are facing substantial financial losses due to grounded aircraft, maintenance costs, and the need to lease replacement planes. Moreover, the crisis has cast a shadow on Pratt Whitney's reputation, raising questions about the future of its geared turbofan technology. As the industry grapples with this crisis, the spotlight is on Pratt Whitney to find a swift and effective solution. The future of air travel, it seems, hinges on their ability to address these engine issues and restore confidence in their technology. Pratt Whitney's geared turbofan engine was hailed as a game-changer. It promised a significant leap in fuel efficiency, reduced emissions, and quieter operation compared to traditional turbofan engines. This revolutionary design featured a gearbox, a seemingly simple addition with profound implications. The gearbox allows the fan at the front of the engine to rotate at a slower speed than the turbine at the rear. This separation of speeds optimizes the performance of both components, resulting in improved fuel efficiency and reduced noise. The aviation industry was quick to embrace this innovation. Airlines, eager to reduce their fuel costs and environmental impact, placed large orders for aircraft powered by Pratt Whitney's geared turbofan engines. Airbus, a leading aircraft manufacturer, selected the engine for its popular A320neo family of aircraft, further solidifying the geared turbofan's position in the market. The introduction of the geared turbofan marked a significant milestone in aviation technology. It promised to make air travel more sustainable and cost-effective. The engine's early success fueled optimism about its potential to transform the industry. However, as with any new technology, there were bound to be challenges. The geared turbofan's complex design, while innovative, also introduced new complexities in manufacturing and maintenance. These complexities would eventually lead to unforeseen issues that would shake the industry to its core. The initial years of the geared turbofan's deployment were marked by a mix of success and challenges. Airlines operating aircraft equipped with the engine reported notable fuel savings and reduced noise levels, fulfilling the promises made by Pratt Whitney. Passengers, too, appreciated the quieter cabins and smoother flights. These early successes solidified the geared turbofan's reputation as a technological marvel. However, beneath the surface of this success, cracks began to appear. Reports of technical issues primarily related to the engine's durability and reliability started to emerge. Airlines experienced premature wear and tear on certain engine components, leading to unplanned maintenance and costly repairs. Pratt Whitney, initially dismissive of these issues as teething problems, attributed them to the complexities of introducing a new technology. They assured airlines that these issues were being addressed and that solutions were in the pipeline. However, as these problems persisted, and even escalated, airlines grew increasingly concerned. The early success of the geared turbofan was overshadowed by mounting concerns about its long-term reliability. The industry watched with bated breath as Pratt Whitney raced to find solutions to these emerging issues. The future of their revolutionary engine and the stability of the aviation industry hung in the balance. Cracks in the facade, the geared turbofan's Achilles heel. In 2023, the situation took a turn for the worse. A critical design flaw in the geared turbofan engine came to light. This flaw, located in the engine's combustor, led to premature cracking and potential engine failure. Airlines were forced to ground their fleets for inspections and repairs. This led to widespread flight cancellations, delays, and disruptions. Pratt Whitney faced intense scrutiny and had to find a solution. The crisis highlighted the importance of rigorous testing and quality control. Grounded fleets and frustrated flyers. The chaos unfolds. The fallout from Pratt Whitney's engine crisis has been nothing short of chaotic. Airlines around the world, operating fleets of Airbus A320neo and A220 aircraft primarily affected by the engine issues, have been forced to make drastic operational changes. Hundreds of aircraft have been grounded, resulting in a domino effect of flight cancellations and delays that have rippled across the globe. Passengers, caught in the middle of this crisis, have faced the brunt of the disruption. Thousands have experienced travel nightmares, from missed connections and lost baggage to indefinite delays and canceled trips. The situation has been particularly challenging for those traveling for important events, business commitments, or long-awaited vacations. Airports have become scenes of frustration and confusion, with overwhelmed staff struggling to manage the surge in passenger inquiries and rebooking requests. The situation has tested the patience of even the most seasoned travelers, leaving many questioning the reliability of air travel. The crisis has exposed the fragility of the aviation industry's intricate network, where even a seemingly isolated issue with one engine supplier can send shockwaves across the globe, disrupting travel plans for millions. As airlines struggle to manage the fallout, the focus has shifted to mitigating the impact on passengers and finding ways to restore normalcy to air travel. Industry in turmoil: the ripple effects of Pratt & Whitney's woes. Pratt & Whitney's engine woes have disrupted airlines and passengers, causing industry-wide turmoil. Aircraft lessors face a surge in demand as airlines seek replacements for grounded fleets. Lease rates have soared, adding financial strain on airlines. Maintenance companies are overwhelmed by the complex repairs required. This bottleneck delays the return of repaired engines, prolonging aircraft groundings. The crisis highlights the risks of relying on a few engine suppliers. The interconnected aviation industry must collaborate to recover and prevent future crises. A race against time. Can Pratt & Whitney salvage its reputation? Pratt & Whitney faces intense pressure to salvage its reputation and restore confidence in its geared turbofan technology. The company has committed significant resources to finding solutions. Engineering teams are working around the clock to develop effective fixes. Production lines have been modified to address the identified flaws. Pratt & Whitney is ramping up its MRO capacity to expedite repairs. The scale of the crisis means a quick fix is unlikely. The company faces an uphill battle to regain trust. The financial implications are significant, with potential costs in billions. Whether Pratt & Whitney can restore its reputation remains to be seen. The future of its geared turbofan technology hangs in the balance. The outcome will shape the future of engine technology and airline choices.